Come take a look at this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Carfax has certified the Silverado 2500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 34,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, leather-appointed front seat trim, LT Preferred Equipment Group, airbags, head curtain side impact, front outboard seating positions, defogger, rear window electric, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, sheer silver metallic, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, Interior Plus package, Convenience package, tires, LT 265/70R17E all-terrain, black wall, rear view, camera system, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, suspension package, off-road and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.